guys, you're welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be telling you why your teeth look the way it does. I understand that some people are really concerned about their dentition, and your concerns are really valid because our teeth is not just for chewing, biting, and all of that. Our teeth also add to our aesthetics, that's the appearance of our face, and it also affects our speech and how we pronounce some words. So in this video, I'll be giving you reasons why your teeth look the way it does. The first reason on my list is that you have some habits. These habits may be habits you indulge in as a child, or habits you indulge in as an adult, or habits you indulge in as a child and continue through with them in adulthood. Habits like sucking your thumb or sucking any of your digits, sucking your tongue thrusting, and lip biting. So these habits have an effect on your teeth because when you apply light continuous force on your teeth, they move, right? So when you continue with these habits, depending on how long you indulge in them, the intensity and the frequency, they can actually affect your teeth and cause them to appear in a certain way. And you continued with these habits, right? You're likely going to grow up with a proclined central incisor. Some people call it rabbit teeth, whereby your upper central incisors, they appear proclined, right? So these are part of the reasons why your teeth look that way. Another thing is, if you're used to sucking your lip, your lower lip, that continuous pressure that you apply on your lower central incisors are going to cause them to be retroclined, and then you're going to have something known as deep bites, right? Whereby when you occlude or when you close your teeth, it seems like your lower teeth is touching the roof of your palate. These are some of the reasons. Also, if you have the habit of, maybe as a child, you had the habit of leaving your mouth open, right? If you do that, you're literally depriving your teeth of the effect of the lip. The lip has a sealing effect. Sealing effect in the sense that it helps keep the teeth in a particular form or arrangement. So when you constantly leave your mouth open, you're depriving your teeth of the effect of the lip, right? So you're allowing your teeth the ability or the room to just keep growing outwardly, right? So these are part of the reasons. Also, if you have the habit of breathing with your mouth, so as a child or even as an adult, all these things too can affect how your teeth appear because the mouth and the lip, they help in keeping the teeth in place in the right position. The second possible reason why your teeth looks the way it does are drugs. So if your mother, while she was pregnant with you, she was taking some drugs, right? Some of these drugs can actually pass through the placenta and affect the way your teeth appear when you grow. Or if she was taking some drugs during breastfeeding, or even if you yourself at a certain age or before a certain age, if you were taking some drugs, those drugs can affect your teeth. And drugs like tetracycline. So if you're taking tetracycline, which is an antibiotic, as a child, right, it can affect the way your teeth appear. So tetracycline usually has a particular way it stains the teeth. So people who were exposed to this drug at childhood usually grow up having stained teeth. Now, the next reason why your teeth could appear the way it does is maternal health condition. So if your mom had a particular health condition or some health conditions while she was pregnant with you, they can also affect your teeth. You're going to likely have some dental abnormalities on your teeth. The third reason, if I'm not mistaken, why your teeth look the way it is genetics, if I can say it that way. So you could inherit a large jaw and small teeth from your parents. So if you inherit that from your parents, you're going to have something known as spacing, right? So there'll be spaces in between your teeth because the jaw is large and the teeth are small. So the jaw is relatively bigger than the teeth that are on it, right? So you're going to have spaces in between. Also, if you inherit a small jaw and large teeth, you're going to have something known as crowding because the jaw is small and the teeth that are on it are large. So they are going to be malpositioned. So these are part of the reasons why your teeth look the way it does. Another thing is kind of things you expose yourself to. So let's say you smoke tobacco, right? Tobacco has a way it stains the teeth. So even if you don't have any form of malocclusion, malarrangement of your teeth, but you smoke tobacco or any of these other things, they can also affect the appearance of your teeth because they are going to stain your teeth and make you look unsightly. So these are some of the reasons why your teeth look the way they are. The good news is that you're not alone and it's not a helpless situation. For most of these conditions I mentioned, there is a remedy or a way to solve the problem. So if you fall into any of these categories and you're concerned about the appearance of your teeth, do not hesitate to visit a dentist. And I'm sure the dentist is going to have a solution for your problem. So this is the end of today's video. If you found it helpful, as always, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment section and I'm going to respond to them. Thank you very, very much. See you all in my next video. Bye.